Alright, moving on to 3. This first inequality here is not ready to be graphed. You have to solve for y. So subtract 2x from both sides to get to get 3y is less than 6 minus 2x, and divide by the 3. Every item gets divided by the 3. You get y is less than 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 2 divided by 3 is 2/3 x. So you're looking at y is less than 2 minus 2/3 x. So go to your 2, that's your y-intercept, the part not with the x, and this, you're going to put a point down. The slope is negative 2/3, that's the part in front of the x. You go down to right 3. You can go down to right 3 again, or down to right 3 again. Okay, or you can go back to your starting point, go up to left 3, up to left 3. Okay, now we know where our line's going to go. Look at your inequality, it's strictly less than, so it's just going to be dashed. Whoops, I went off track there. Dashed line. Put some arrows on the end, and like I said, it's less than. So the numbers, the y's that are less than are that direction. So shade this away. And that one's ready to go. Let's graph the other one in blue. That's the inequality x is greater than negative 4. So go to x is negative 4, that's right there. And realize that your line, the only part that changes is the y's. So if you go to like y is 4, x is still going to be negative 4. If y is 7, x is still, sorry, that one's hitting. It's still negative 4. If you go to y is negative 3, x is still negative 4. So you have this vertical line. It's going to be dashed because it's strictly greater than. And the x's that are greater are to the right. So you're going to shade to the right, which is this direction. The part that got double shaded is this section here. So I'm going to make that one a little bit darker to show that that is where the solution is. Darker. Okay? Your solutions are in that darker region. Move on to number 4. Our top inequality is not solved for y. It's solved for x. But you can quickly change that by subtracting 2 from both sides. You'll get x minus 2 is less than y. So if you flip it around, y is greater than x minus 2. And we're ready to go. It has a y-intercept of negative 2. It has a slope of 1. Remember, the number in front of x is your slope. If there's no number, the number is 1. So go up 1, right 1, and you can get points down. Up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. All sorts of points. These ones are, you can like practically draw the line already. Look at your inequality. It's greater than, but not equal to. So you gotta do a dashed line. Goes that way. Dashed line. And it's greater than, so if you look at your y's, your greater than y's go up that way. So we shade this side, this half of the plane, that's divided by the line. And that one's ready to go. We need to then graph the second inequality. This one's not solved for y, but it's only one step away. Subtract 2x from both sides. You get y is less than 4 minus 2x. So go to 4, which is your y-intercept. Remember, your y-intercept is the part not with the x. You got a slope of negative 2, so go down to right 1 to get another point, down to right 1 to get a point, down to right 1 to get a point, or you can go up to left 1 to get another point. Okay, so we got points, so you know where it's going. Look at your inequality, it says less than, but not equal to, so we gotta have another dashed line. Oh man, that's hideous. Dashed line goes like so. And like I said, it's less than. The y's that are less than are down. And so we're going to shade this side of our line. The part that got double shaded is in this region, so I'm making that one a little bit darker. That's where the solutions are. And that's it.